at this awesome thing from Image Technology. Alright, no, this is super cool. This is actually an automatic or pneumatic ink mixing system. So it's computer controlled, and basically you put in your Pantone color or what have you on the computer, and then it is going to dispense the appropriate inks into the little bucket right there and give you the right volume and quantity and stuff for the color that you chose. So it's very cool. I mean, you know, this is for like a big print shop, okay? You know, I mean, I guess somebody who mixes custom ink colors could use this too, but this is designed for a larger print shop where you have high volume printing and you need to be able to mix colors relatively quickly and efficiently, you know, without mess and waste, okay? Because mixing ink can create a lot of waste if you do not know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So a computerized system like this would make things super easy. You know, there's all the lines going up. And pretty amazing, isn't it? That you can like pump Plastisol ink through something like this. And basically, you know, it's like Image Tech will tell you, you know, it's basically like pushing a grease through the system. Plastisol ink, you know. So there it is. Look, you can see all the innards and stuff of all the hoses and whatnot. Isn't that really cool? I mean, check it out, dude. Check it out, dude. I'm in California, so I'm all dude. Hey, what's up, dude? Alright, so as long as I don't move too fast, the autofocus is okay. So yeah, don't forget, you know, Catspit Productions is an authorized dealer for Image Technology. So I can sell all of their chemicals, all of their products, all of their inks if you like them. You know, equipment. Don't forget that Image Technology does custom installs. So they build equipment for your shop. You know what I'm saying? You can have a custom screen reclaiming system, stuff like that. I mean, they do all kinds of custom installs and equipment. Alright, so if you're interested in any of the Image Technology products, then contact Catspit Productions. Check out my e-commerce site and feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. See that? Look at this big giant thing. That is a probably, you know, screen making device. I didn't even ask what that one is, but that could be a what do you call it? It could strip screens or what have you. They make a lot of reclaiming and mesh prep type machines and equipment and stuff. So, but really what I wanted to show you was this, was the ink mixing system from Image Technology. Okay, and look at it, it's already sold. I don't know what that factory one means, so maybe that's their brand or something, but so this was at the show and everything, and it sold right away, you know, because it's an awesome little unit. So, very cool. All right, awesome products from Image Technology. Check it out, Catspit, screenprintsupply.com.